What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mohit the Tech Geek, and today I'm going to unbox a microphone come earpiece that I have received as a gift from my well-wishers. Right, let's just get started and go into it. So as you can see, I get a box, the manual, a carry pouch and some accessories. This will include an extra ear jack, extra amplifier and a clip. And inside this carry pouch, you can see that I have got, wait for it, this microphone. Let's open this thing up. As you can see here, this is the microphone, this is the ear jack, and this is the earpiece which you can use to hear what you speak. So I've now attached my mic over here. This is basically meant to be attached to a collar for the best result, and I've opened up the voice recorder on another phone to test it out. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and speak. Hello, this is how I speak now. I know it's kind of weird, but I'm just testing it out. And I'll grab the earpiece, put it here and play it. Superb quality, I must say. I'll just plug it out and play it for you. This is how I speak now. I know it's oh, sorry. Hello, this is how I speak now. I know it's kind of weird, but I'm just testing it out. That's nice. So anyways, that is all. Starting from now, I'm going to use this external mic to record some videos like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon.